Unfold the power of adventure with the SAMEBIKE C05 Pro, a folding electric bike designed for thrill seekers, urban commuters, and weekend explorers alike. Compact yet rugged, this e-bike redefines what's possible when performance meets portability. At the core of the C05 Pro is a powerful 500-watt brushless hub motor, engineered to conquer steep inclines up to 25 degrees and deliver top speeds of 35 kilometers per hour. Whether you're weaving through city streets or climbing rugged trails, the motor responds with impressive torque, giving you power when you need it most. Fueling your ride is a 36V 13AH removable lithium battery, built for long-distance journeys and daily reliability. On a full charge, it offers a range of up to 70 kilometers, making it the perfect companion for everything from your morning commute to weekend getaways. And when it's time to recharge, the battery pops out with ease. No tools, no hassle. Ride in comfort no matter the terrain. The C05 Pro features dual suspension systems, an adjustable front fork and seat suspension that work together to absorb shocks, smooth out bumps, and reduce vibration. From rocky mountain paths to pothole-filled city roads, every ride is noticeably smoother, more stable, and more enjoyable. The 20x4-inch fat tires don't just look bold, they perform boldly too. With increased surface contact, these tires offer superior traction on sand, snow, gravel, or asphalt. They provide extra cushioning and grip, letting you glide over challenging surfaces with confidence and ease. Safety is a priority day or night. Equipped with bright front and rear LED lights, the C05 Pro ensures high visibility for you and your surroundings. Whether you're navigating dark roads or making yourself seen in daytime traffic, these dual lights offer peace of mind on every ride. And when the adventure's over, just fold it down and take it with you. The C05 Pro's foldable frame makes it incredibly easy to store in your car trunk, under a desk, or in a closet, no garage required. Built for freedom, designed for control, powered by performance, the SAMEBIKE C05 Pro is ready for the road, the trail, and everything in between.